So today, guys, I have a cold. Like, so I was going to school. I pretended I had a cold, and then like the teacher said, "No, you're not allowed in school. Like, when you're sick or something." Like, yes, bitch. I said that, so I didn't have to go to school. Then what happened next was the 3 weeks later, I got sick. I really had a cold. So my teacher said, "Oh my gosh, I have a really bad cold. It's been 3 weeks." And she thought that I was really sick at the first start, but karma is real. Oh my gosh, guys, don't do it. Actually, karma's real.